What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So today we're going to be doing some cleaning up today. I mean, the room's a mess. We need to figure this out. This is getting pretty bad. So gonna go get that figured out. Then we're gonna do customer orders, and then we're gonna do an FBA shipment. I'm not going to a coffee shop today, so I'm going to get the FBA shipment done. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I hope everyone enjoys this video, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so I just figured out, I'm like, how can I scale this business and keep every sticker organized? And I just found some bin organizers at Harbor Freight, so I'm gonna go there and check them out and see if they're good enough. I'm gonna bring like a large sticker and a small sticker, see how they fit. And if they're good, I'm gonna grab like 2 or 3 of these 40-piece, 40-drawer storage containers, and I'm gonna start stacking these in there, and then start printing out more stickers and put them in there, so when I'm ready to ship out, I can just pull them out, give them to the customer. So let's go to Harbor Freight, go check out the storage bins, and if they're good, I'll bring them back here. All right, guys, here it is in all of its glory. I got a 47-bin parts rack. I think it might be enough for now. I do have stickers coming in today as well. But let's get this thing set up, and I'll show you what it looks like in my room. All right, guys, it is done. Thank you for watching. So I got the popular ones, I think are gonna be the red because it's hot. These are the mids, and then these are bulk. So like if I have bulk packaging, I can put them all down here, like bulk sticker packaging. Let's see what this looks like in my room. I did take this top off because I would like to get to these easier and see everything. So I'm gonna keep that removed, but I do have it in that box over there in case I want to put it on. But let's go get it in my room and see what it looks like. All right, guys, we're gonna take a little break here. I'll show you what I did over here in a bit, but I'm a little nervous. So this is a box of stickers, but it got examined by the border protection, so I don't know if they've destroyed anything. So we're about to find out and see if they've tampered with anything. I hope that they're chill, like didn't touch anything, didn't remove anything. Oh, I looked inside, saw stickers, and that's all they got. Stickers. Well, you're gonna get stickers. More stickers. Okay, they didn't tamper with it too much, so I have all these in here. So we'll just do a time lapse and removing all of these packages. All right, well, nothing was tampered with, but we have all of our stickers and decals ready to go. I got to label them and ship them out today, so it's gonna be a busy day. But yeah, we got all of the decals and stickers that I wanted to get out today. So I'm very excited about that. Let's go. All right, so guys, I'm not completely done here, but I just wanted to show you the idea of where I didn't realize where I was going with this when I bought this, but I knew that it would help organize a lot of things. So I put like my labels down here, my tape, my poly bag. This over here is for my hat company, Coastal Cowboys. I got my pill labels here. It's another thing I sell on Amazon, so organize that. These are the clips for the mud boats. I'm gonna put the mud boats in here. I got all my bulk stickers over here that I'm going to ship out right here. I got some BN20 wiper blades that I sell. I got my blades here. I have my more poly bags. I got my Coastal Cowboy HTV. I have my tools here. I got my pens here. Glues for the envelopes. Labels for the mud boats. I haven't put anything in here yet, but we got our top best-selling stickers in here, but I haven't added any more yet, but I am now that I have some more stickers. But But yeah, this is basically going to be an organized space. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Obviously, we just put this in today, so we'll get to it. But yeah, just wanted to show you what's going on. Alright guys, so starting with eBay, we made $25.48. We made $39.46 on Quality Prints USA, and we made $324.07 on Amazon. So a total of $389 in revenue was made yesterday. So a total of $3,791. So not bad, not great. So we would love to hit 30K this month, but I'm looking at probably a 15K month, but let's just all have good high hopes. But if you guys like this style of video, I don't usually buy things, but I am trying to make them more entertaining again. But I have been sick ever since I got back from New York, and my brain's just been super foggy. I hope you understand. Like, I'm trying to get these videos out for you guys, but we will come back stronger than ever. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you enjoyed these videos. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.